Congratulations on the promotion. I feel like I'm dying, but you go have your party.
Why does my success feel like a crime?
Look at me. You are not crazy. You are being hunted. Break the cycle. Today, I will show you how. Why do you tremble? Is it because I am the very mass of memories you so desperately tried to escape? I am the sorrow you cast aside, the rage you killed. That is why I have come to you in this monstrous form. But remember this, the darker the shadow, the deeper the proof of the brilliant light within you. So stop running. Look at me. I have not come to devour you. I am here to make you whole. Your body became an adult, but your heart is still trapped in that dark, cold room. The truth of dark psychology is cruel. Childhood wounds don't heal on their own just because time passes. Instead, they grow larger, deep within your subconscious, slowly devouring your adult life. Groundless anxiety, an obsession with others, or a solitude where you trust no one. It's not because you are weak. It is merely the prison of survival you've built for yourself, just to endure those years. The Reaper slides the cup forward, locking eyes with the viewer. It is time to end this agonizing cycle. I will break those invisible chains that bind you, one by one. It will be painful, but at the end, the real you, whom you've never met, will be waiting. Now, let us open the door to that dark room. Well, whose story shall we open today?
Hi, I'm Sarah. I'm 32, a marketing director in Chicago. To the outside world, I have it all. A great career, a nice apartment, but inside, I feel like a 5-year-old child constantly waiting for a punishment that never ends. It started when I got my big promotion last month. I worked 80-hour weeks for that VP position. I called my mom, hoping for a simple, "I'm proud of you." Instead, there was this long, heavy silence on the other end. Then she whispered, "That's nice, Sarah. I wish I had your energy. I've been so lonely, and my back pain is acting up again. But don't mind me. Go celebrate." Suddenly, my promotion felt like a crime. It's always like this. If I don't answer her 4th call of the day because I'm in a meeting, she sends a text. "I guess I'll just leave the front door unlocked so the paramedics can find my body easily. Enjoy your meeting." When I rush over there, panicked, she's just sitting there, watching TV. She doesn't even look at me. She just says, "Oh, you finally found a minute for your mother? I'm surprised you remembered where I live." I've spent thousands on therapy, but I still cancel my vacations. I don't date because she hates when I'm away. And I feel a physical pain in my chest every time my phone vibrates. I'm 32, but I'm still a prisoner of her sacrifices as a single mother. Am I crazy, or is she killing me?
Sarah, look at me. You aren't crazy. You are being hunted. In dark psychology, this is the ultimate form of guilt tripping. Your mother isn't using a knife. She's using her own weakness as a weapon. This is emotional blackmail. She has turned her love into a debt with an infinite interest rate. By making herself the victim, she makes you the oppressor. Every time you succeed, she bleeds. Every time you are happy, she suffers. She's not lonely. She's controlling. She has installed a guilt trigger in your nervous system. Now, she doesn't even have to scream. She just has to sigh. And you crumble. She is eating your life to fuel her own need for significance. To break free, you must accept a terrifying truth. You are allowed to let her be disappointed. The single mother card is a shield, not a contract. Her sacrifices were her choices as an adult. You don't owe her your entire existence for the gift of being born. If you continue to save her from her own loneliness, you will both drown. She will never stop, because your guilt is her power. Next time she threatens to leave the door open for paramedics, call the police for a welfare check. Don't go yourself. Break the pattern. Stop being her drug. You aren't a bad daughter for living your life. You are a human being reclaiming your soul. Stop being the supporting character in someone else's twisted script. It's time to take the pen back and rewrite your own story. I'm looking for the next case to dissect. Is it yours? Send me your struggles, your shadows, and your stories to the link below. Let's break the chains together. I'll see you in the next video with your story. Until then, stay vigilant.